lemon blueberry dump cake, and the first step of doing it is, this is optional, is to cut out butter pieces so you don't have to do it later. So I'm taking a knife and I'm cutting the butter into thin little pieces, and later we're gonna lay it all out on the cake. Now that we've cut the butter, I'm gonna go ahead and tell the rest of the ingredients. So we have the lemon cake mix, and then after that we have pineapples crushed, of course, undrained, and then we have blueberry pie filling also too. Make sure you have your hands healthy to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I've got non-stick spread, and we're going to spread it across the bowl and try to cake. Okay. And now we're going to take our blueberry pie filling and our crushed pineapple, and we're going to basically put it across the whole pan. If your sticking spray isn't moving, you can go like this to help you. And then you're going to take your pineapple and you're going to layer it on. And then also you can go back and you can take a knife and you can spread it. Before we do that, a couple things. For this, you're going to use about 21 ounces for the can. And for the crushed pineapple, I'm going to say about 20. And then before we do the butter, we're going to pour lemon cake mix into it. And it's going to be about 15 ounces, 15 to 18 ounces. Okay, we're going to try to get it all around. Spread it evenly if it's not there, because too much of it will make the cake lumpy, and it will basically take over the cake. When spreading, I prefer to use a spatula. In this case, it is, but that is okay. Okay, now for the butter that we cut before, we're going to take another spatula, same or different, it doesn't really matter. And we're going to quickly put it on the pan. It's okay if it breaks a little bit, because at the end, it's all going to bake. Butter just helps it rise. And for this, I use 1 stick of butter. It doesn't actually matter what size it is, salted or unsalted. I prefer salted. And yeah. And now we're going to put this delicious dough cake into the oven. Bake for 50 to 55 minutes and cool at least 15 minutes before serving. This is how it turned out. One tip is that when you layer your stuff, make sure you layer it evenly and make sure it's all spread, otherwise it's going to turn out lumpy and the layers won't be right, and some of it's going to taste different in different areas. You can also top it off with ice cream and sprinkles and caramel and chocolate syrup. Just make sure you have an adult to do the oven, because 350 is really hot.